The Dream Career Guide to Choosing Your Path to Professional Painting. Choosing your career path as a painter. There are many different ways to make a living as an artist. It is important to decide which type of work you enjoy the most and what your skills are before you start looking for jobs. Painters who enjoy working with their hands might find that they enjoy sculpting or molding clay. Painters who like working with their minds might like drawing, sculpture, or graphic design. Education options for painters. Painters have many different educational options available to them. There are a number of different schools that offer programs in painting and drawing. Painters can also get an education in the field through online courses offered by various universities. Painting is a profession that requires a great deal of skill, talent, and creativity. It is also one of the most difficult professions to get into because there are not as many opportunities for painters as there are for other jobs. If you have some talent in this field, then it may be worth your time and effort to pursue an education in this field. Getting experience in the trade through internships or apprenticeships. Internships and apprenticeships are a great way to get experience in the trade. While internships are often unpaid, they offer a chance to get hands-on experience. Apprenticeships are typically paid and allow the apprentice to learn from an experienced professional in the field. The benefits of internships and apprenticeships include: allows you to see if you like the trade or not, gives you a chance at getting your foot in the door with a company, offers hands-on experience, which is valuable for any profession. Favorite topics or things to paint. I love painting landscapes. I find that they are very calming and they make me feel like I am in a different place. Painting is a very relaxing activity for me, and it also helps me to focus on what is happening in my life. This section will talk about my favorite things to paint, and why I enjoy them so much. I love painting landscapes because they are always changing and there is always something new to see. They are calming and make me feel like I am in a different place. Painting is a very relaxing activity for me, which helps me to focus on what is happening in my life. Making it as a self-taught painter in the modern age. There are many ways to make it as a self-taught painter in the modern age. You can start out by making a plan and then executing on it. You can also take a more organic approach and just paint what you want to paint. There are many ways one can make it as an artist nowadays, but what is most important is that you stay true to yourself and do something that will make you happy. Conclusion: picking a path as a painter and not a specialist. The conclusion of the article is to not pick a path as a painter and not a specialist. This means that you should not limit yourself to one subject or skill set.